if I told you that healthy dark chocolate combined with other key natural ingredients could be the solution to a healthy, passionate, and vibrant sex life? Would you believe it? Well, you can. To help you boost your love life, Shosai has developed Sho Love Chocolate Love Bites, an entirely unique formula that features Shosai's healthy chocolate as the perfect carrier for the potent, proven, and safe sex-boosting benefits of L-arginine and maca. Together, these ingredients address the core problems of sexual dysfunction today: insufficient blood flow and an imbalance of key brain hormones. Insufficient blood flow means less stimulation, sensitivity, and function of the sexual organs of both men and women. The brain's hormones act as pleasure chemicals that trigger passion, excitement, and romance. When they're low or out of balance, it means a diminished libido and sex drive. But Sho Love Chocolate Love Bites can rescue your lethargic love life. Shosai's healthy chocolate possesses powerful aphrodisiac properties, promotes optimal balance of brain hormones, and is proven to improve blood flow. Sho Love Chocolate Love Bites also feature L-arginine, a critical amino acid that has been demonstrated to provide powerful blood flow and prosexual benefits for both men and women. In fact, research on L-arginine won the Nobel Prize and established it as one of the most proven, sex-friendly nutrients known today. Finally, Sho Love Chocolate Love Bites contain maca, a highly renowned aphrodisiac and energy-stimulating botanical long used in ancient holistic medicine. Together in a proprietary blend, these ingredients make Sho Love Bites the perfect love food for optimized blood flow and enhanced brain hormone balance, all of which can help you enjoy a new level of passion, pleasure, and satisfaction. So take the next step and give your love life a boost with Sho Love Chocolate Love Bites. Click the link or get back to the person who sent you this video and experience the power of Sho Love Chocolate Love Bites.